Welcome to RichPete's screen-free learning mini-course. Discover how simple print-and-play games teach children skills like counting, maths, and teamwork. Children today are surrounded by screens. Phones, tablets, TVs, and video games are everywhere. But sometimes, the most powerful learning happens away from screens. Screen-free games give children a chance to use their hands, their eyes, their minds, and their voices. When a child rolls a dice, counts spaces, matches colors, sorts cards, waits for a turn, or makes a decision, that child is not just playing. That child is learning. Print and play games are especially powerful because they are simple. You download them, print them, cut them out, and start playing. There is no need for expensive equipment, no complicated setup or internet access during playtime. For parents, these games can turn ordinary afternoons into learning moments. For homeschoolers, they can make lessons more exciting. For teachers, they can add fun to classroom activities. For families, they can create meaningful time together. A game like Safari Snap can help children recognize animals, colors, and patterns. Farmyard Feast can support early counting and matching. Dino Dash can make movement and decision-making exciting. Number Nights and Market Day can help children practice number skills, addition, and money maths. The best part is that children often do not feel like they are studying. They feel like they are playing. And when learning feels like play, children are more likely to participate, repeat the activity, and remember what they are learning. That is why RichPete created printable games that are colorful, easy to use, and suitable for home, classroom, and family learning. Explore the Ultimate Kids Game Bundle on www.richpete.com and start your screen-free learning journey today.